does the statistic says about New Year's resolutions? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in this video, I will share more about what does the statistic says about New Year's resolutions. I remember when I was at uni, I was studying statistics. This was one of my subjects. And if you're not a number person, this will be a really tough one for you. However, the numbers are important, and statistics as well is really vital for us as humans. The people who are working with statistics, usually they're making a lot of researches, they're using different methods just to gather different information, put it together, summarize it, and just give us the summary of what they have found out. And it's really vital information for us so we can see, for example, how a market is going, what the different trends of people are happening, or what is the social life going, how the things are going and what is important. And in this video, I will share a statistic which was published on the 14th of December 2023 from Forbes, and it shows a study between 2,000 people in the UK and what are their trends regarding New Year's resolutions. What they find out that around 19% of Brits actually they're making and creating New Year's resolutions. What it's interesting to see that the people who are more engaged in the New Year's resolution process are young people and people who live in big cities, which is really interesting to see. And you will see on your screen now what are the figures, what did they found out. So on number one is exercise more, which is 40%, lose weight, which is 35%, improve diet, 33%, financial goals, 31%, reduce stress, 24%, enhance emotional well-being, 22%, make more time for hobbies, 20%, improve relationships, and improve career goals, both 18%, meditate regularly, mindfulness, 17%, practice gratitude, 15%, drink less alcohol, 13%, reduce time on social media, 13%, and quit smoking, 11%. And this is like the main areas of what people that were interviewed for, and this is what they put together. So a couple of things really to mention here to see different trends. The first one definitely is health. Everyone is talking about health. I will start exercising, I will lose weight, I will change my diet. And this is like the whole health, the top three of the list there regarding health, with 40, 35, and 33%. After that, you see the financial goals with 31%. But after that, we see again reduced stress, mindfulness. It's again about mental health. We live in a really stressful world. So people, they really want to reduce the stress. And after that, career, relationships, of course, hobbies. People want to have a little bit more free time to do something they really do enjoy, like fishing, for example. And at the bottom, you will see, again, we have mindfulness, we have gratitude. Again, this inside healthy routines people they want to have in their life. And in the bottom, we have people they want to reduce alcohol, social media, and cigarettes. The first two, they're with 13%, and the smoking, quit smoking, is for 11%. So what we can summarize of all these numbers briefly is that health is number one, which is physical health, and emotional health is really number one for all we want in our life. If you're not healthy, that is not good. There is one saying, one proverb that says that a person who is healthy has thousands of dreams and desires, but whoever is sick, he has just one and only desire, to be healthy. And health is really important. Our healthy habits in this busy world are really important. So health, mental health, physical health are really important. And number one, after that, finances and hobbies, just to have more free time. Relationships as well, career path, they're really, really important as well. And what is interesting to see at the bottom, there are these three areas which are more numbers in the list of what we have just quoted. They're things we want to reduce in our life. So when we are talking about setting up goals, New Year's resolutions is not just something we want to improve, but also is for something we want to get rid of, some bad habits, something that is taking a lot of our energy, our time. We want to reduce them. So these are parts of our life we want to reduce and to get rid of our life. So this is really common, and this is really interesting. And also this statistic shows that around a month and a half of these people, most of them, they give up their dreams, they give up their New Year's resolutions, they're back to normal life. And it's like around 80 to 92% of people, they really fail in their resolutions. There is another statistic, again posted in Forbes on the 18th of November 2024, that shows that around 40% of Americans, they're engaging themselves in New Year's resolutions. However, only 9% of them, they really stick with the New Year's resolution and they really fulfill them. Despite all our good intentions to improve our life in health, finances, relationships, career, despite our heart desires really to improve, to change our life, the statistics shows that between 80 and 92% of all these good intentions and these New Year's resolutions, they fail. And people are back to their normal life and they're not able to improve their life. The question is, what is the reason for that? And in the next 7 videos, I will share with us the 7 reasons, the 7 pitfalls, why people are messing up and they're not able to complete their New Year's resolutions and to fulfill their heart desires. It will be a great journey. So in the next video, I will start with number 1. What is it? I will see you soon and I'll share with you. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.